Boeing Mcdonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The history of the Boeing Mcdonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Eagle, produced by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, represented the pinnacle of American air superiority. It replaced the aging F-4 Phantom II and became a highly maneuverable and versatile multi-role fighter with an impressive combat record, boasting 100 kills at one point. Introduced in 1976, the F-15 quickly proved its capabilities as a world-class combat platform, excelling in air-to-air engagements. It featured single-seat F-15A and F-15C, and two-seat F-15B and F-15D variants. Over time, the F-15 evolved into different versions, including a two-seat trainer, a strike platform, and the upgraded two-seat attack variant known as the Strike Eagle. Its cockpit incorporated modern digital avionics and displays, allowing pilots to manage the aircraft efficiently. The F-15 boasted powerful engines capable of speeds exceeding 1,600 miles per hour. The F-15's standard armament included a 20mm Gatling cannon, air-to-air missiles, and a variety of munitions for ground attacks. It was made available to select international customers, such as Japan and Saudi Arabia, due to U.S. export restrictions. While the introduction of the F-22 Raptor signaled the F-15's eventual retirement, it continued to serve on the front lines until the transition to newer aircraft. Boeing Mcdonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle Specification Basics. Year, 1976. Status, active, in-service crew, 1 or 2. Manufacturing, 1,500 units, McDonnell Douglas Boeing, USA Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI, Japan. Roles, fighter, interception, ground attack. Dimensions. Length, 63.78 feet, 19.44 meters, widspan, 42.78 feet, 13.04 meters, height, 18.50 feet, 5.64 meters, weights. Empty weight, 27,000 pounds, 12,247 kilograms. MTOW, 56,002 pounds, 25,402 kilograms. Diff, plus 29,002 pounds, power. 2X Pratt & Whitney F100 PW100 afterburning turbofan engines developing 25,000 pounds of thrust each. Performance maximum speed, 1,875 miles per hour, 3,017 kilometers per hour, 1,629 kts. Service ceiling, 65,010 feet, 19,815 m, 31 miles, maximum range, 2,402 miles, 3,865 kilometers, 2,087 nanometers, rate of climb, 50,000 ft min, 15,240 m min, armament. Standard, 1 by 20 mm M61A1 internal rotary automatic cannon. Mission-specific ordnance can include any of the following: 2XAIM-9 Sidewinder air-to-air missiles, 4XAIM-7 Sparrow air-to-air missiles, 2XAIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missiles, GBU-10 laser-guided bombs, LGBs, GBU-12 laser-guided bombs, LGBs, GBU-24 laser-guided bombs, LGBs, GBU-15 electro-optically guided bombs, AGM-130 powered bombs, GBU-31 dams, GBU-32 dams, JSOW conventional bombs, cluster bombs, B-51 nuclear bombs, B-61 nuclear bombs, AGM-88 HARM anti-radiation missiles, AGM-65 Maverick air-to-surface missiles. Up to 16,000 pounds of externally held ordnance. Variants: F-15A prototype model F-15A single-seat all-weather air superiority variant, 384 examples. F-15B, TF-15A two-seat training variant, 61 examples. F-15C single-seat all-weather air superiority model, upgraded, with F-100P 220 3,450 pounds thrust engines, continuously updated systems, improved radar system. APG-70, 483 examples. F-15D two-seater trainer with F-100P 220 3,450 pounds engine, continuously updated systems, improved AGP-70 radar system, 92 examples. F-15E Strike Eagle ground attack variant, reinforced airframe, maintains air-to-air capability. TF-15A original designation for the two-seat F-15B model. F-15J licensed production Japanese single-seat model based on the F-15C, 141 copies, 2 built in Missouri. F-15J Japanese Super Interceptor Modernization Program covers 98 F-15J fighters. F-15DJ licensed production Japanese two-seater model based on the F-15D, 37 examples, 12 from Missouri. F-15IRAM Thunder export model, American-made. F-15K Slam Eagle F-15 model of the Republic of Korea Air Force. F-15SG F-15 variant of the RSAF F-15 and Seahawk naval variant proposed to the U.S. Navy as a competitor to the Grumman F-14 Tomcat Fleet Defender. F-15 and PHX naval variant proposed to the U.S. Navy in support of the AIM-54 Phoenix AM to challenge Grumman's F-14. F-15QA Qatar Air Force export model. F-15X Advanced Eagle proposed, modernized single-seat USAF form to succeed aging fleet of F-15C-D fighters. F-15EX Advanced form proposed for the USAF and based in the F-15QA serving Qatar.